Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we'll explore the top 5 programming languages for AI and natural language processing. Whether you're a developer or simply curious about AI, this video will provide valuable insights into the best languages for AI and natural language processing development. 1. Python. Performance level 5. Python stands as the best programming language for AI development. Its extensive applications span AI, machine learning, data science, web apps, desktop apps, networking apps, and scientific computing. Python's versatility and robustness make it an ideal choice for building AI solutions and implementing cutting-edge algorithms. Its extensive library and framework ecosystem provide powerful tools and resources to tackle complex AI tasks. Python's ease of use, readability, and strong community support contribute to its reputation as the top programming language for AI development. 2. Java. Performance level 4.7. Java, a popular multi-paradigm language, is recognized for its adherence to object-oriented design principles and the written once, run anywhere concept. This makes it an excellent choice for developing AI applications. Java code can be executed across platforms without recompilation, enabling seamless deployment of AI systems in various environments. Its capability to run neural networks further expands its applicability in the AI domain. Java's syntax, resembling C and C++, offers familiarity, while automatic memory management simplifies development, enhancing productivity and ease of use. 3. C++. Performance level 4.6. Known for its speed and efficiency, C++ is a high-performance language preferred by developers, focusing on AI and NLP efficiency. With fast execution and quick loading times, C++ excels in applications like search engines and computer games. Its wide range of algorithms and statistical methods enable effective implementation of artificial intelligence systems. C++ supports object-oriented principles, aiding in data organization, and offers a rich library of functions and tools, enhancing its versatility. While suitable for machine learning and neural networks, C++ may pose challenges for novice developers in multitasking and AI programming approaches. 4. R. Performance level 4.5. R, a powerful statistical programming language, is highly regarded for AI and NLP development. Its extensive library collections, including Tidyverse and Carrot, provide robust tools for data analysis, machine learning, and statistical modeling. R excels in handling large datasets and implementing complex algorithms, making it an ideal choice for AI tasks. Dedicated NLP packages, such as TM and Tidy Text, enhance its capabilities in text mining and NLP. R's rich ecosystem and specialized functionalities empower developers to explore, analyze, and extract insights from AI and NLP data effectively. 5. JavaScript. Performance level 4.4. JavaScript, predominantly used in web development, offers notable benefits for AI and NLP. With Node.js support, it extends beyond client-side programming to enable scalable and distributed AI systems. JavaScript's wide adoption fosters a vibrant developer community, encouraging collaboration and the evolution of AI tools. Its proficiency in creating interactive data visualizations and user interfaces proves invaluable for applications involving NLP, sentiment analysis, and image recognition. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on technology, coding, and AI. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.